back to my channel. My name is Desiree. Today I am doing a different video. I'm doing a vlog, as you can tell, day in my life. So I have special guests. I have my mom. Let me see her. AKA Tina Medina. And then I have my little sister, Sammy. Let me flip the camera. Say hi, Sammy. So I figured I'd turn the camera back on because way better lighting in the kitchen. And plus, I wanted to give a better angle of Sammy because I feel like the lighting was terrible in the living room. And look how cute she is. I mean, her bow's coming off, but besides that, oh, she looks crazy like that. Let me fix her bow. But hello, Sammy. Oh, she's mad. Oh, she snorted. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, hello, Sammy. Hello. You guys don't make fun of my baby talk because, I mean, everyone does baby talk, so.
And
I'm the worst vlogger ever. I get embarrassed. Anyways,
I'll do it.
I know, my mom's taking over. Anyways, we're at Nathaniel's school. We're parked on the side because there was no parking on where we usually park. And me and my mom and Sam, and well, Sammy's in the conversation, she's just here. We were talking about how Nathaniel gets scared to going to the wrong car. And my mom was just explaining that last time when she picked up my brother, it was her and Sam in the car. And she was literally parked in the front and he could clearly see like Sam and my mom like just sitting in the car. And he looked at him like making weird faces.
Like we were complete strangers.
Yeah, like looking at him like they're strangers, and like they literally sat there just to see like what he would do. And he just stood there and kind of just like looked around like awkward. So then my mom got out of the car and just waved at him, and he looked like, oh, okay, like that's them, and started walking in the car. And she asked him like, why didn't you come to the car? Like, you obviously seen us, like why didn't you come? And what did he say?
He's like, I just wasn't sure if it was you, so I figured I'd wait to see you get off the car.
Yeah, like...
Is that 1% chance that it's the wrong identical parents?
Yeah, so we're gonna test that theory right now. We're gonna see if he's gonna do it again, which he probably will, like 100% will. So we're gonna do it right now. Okay, so we're gonna park. And we're gonna see if he can see us. Usually he's like standing right there in front of the school. Can you see him? I don't see him.
We'll see him walk out.
He's usually one of the first ones though. I think there was like a school thing and we weren't like included. Let me get this in the mix.
And he's wearing his Grinch Christmas sweater. Today was Grinch theme.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, so you can wear anything Grinch or green.
It's not like none of us, like I've picked up Nathaniel at school before, so it's not like he's never seen me pick him up.
Still gonna just stare at us and be like, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm so unsure if that's my family.
Like he's literally gonna be like...
I look like Sam, my mommy, my sisters.
I told him we should just like put our little sister out the window and be like...
I told him he needs to memorize the license plate. That would be helpful, but... maybe
Mom, I don't even know my own license plate to my own car.
Well, I mean, it's a good way to recognize your vehicle. I know our license plate by looking at it when I see it. It's...
What time is it? He's usually out like
3:02. He's probably taking his time today. Of all days, he's taking his time.
Unless he lost his lunch pail like last time.
I hope not, because he'll have to go all the way back to class. Oh, this dad is a rebel.
See, that's what I did, and Nathaniel was freaking out.
Yeah, because this is not parent pickup.
Okay, so look,
the daughter's freaking out.
Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. When I picked up my brother, I picked him up a couple of times, and the one time I did, I picked him up like coming through here, and you're not supposed to. It's only like buses, and my brother was freaking out. Like he was like, "What are you doing here? Like you can't be picking me up here."
It's breaking the school off for sure.
And we were stressing out, like seriously.
And this parent's still waiting, like. And
I felt like people were staring at me. Like the teachers were literally looking at me like, who is that? Like trying to figure out who I was.
That lady over there by the tree staring at him like, what
like,
the?
I know.
2 hours later.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. Oh my god, oh my god.
Okay, so let's see if he recognizes us. Desiree?
He's looking.
He's looking.
Please
So let's do
listen.
the wave.
He's staring at
Let me
us.
zoom this in. Why is this taking forever to zoom in?
There's a little
That's
Grinch.
him. Look at him.
Still ignoring us. He's not sure.
No, he's getting nervous. Look at him.
Yeah, but he's not coming because he's not 100% sure it's me.
Oh, there's a kid right here.
Okay, so I'm
Look
gonna
at
get
him.
out to confirm.
That's hilarious.
Papa.
Now he comes. Look at, he's all embarrassed.
Here he is.
It's like he knew it and he doesn't want to come.
No, he knows it's us. He just
Where'd he
has
go?
that
There he
1%
is.
doubt that
He's
we're
afraid to get
we're
kidnapped.
complete strangers.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
pretty
I don't know
funny.
if that's a great thing or he's just one stubborn kid.
Yeah, that's hilarious. And the other time when I picked him up, what's it called? We were walking across the street, not on the crosswalk, and he got mad at the fact that we didn't use it.
Yeah, got a safety first.
What's up?
Buddy, why did you ignore us again?
I just wasn't sure if it was you guys.
You know it's us.
I just wasn't sure.
Nathaniel, it was me, Sam, and Mom. Like, what are the doubts? Like, you're gonna see all three of us in one car and it's a
I
stranger.
didn't even see you in the back.
Did you think we're imposters?
Say hello to my
You're
YouTube
fake
channel.
teeth.
Don't hide. Okay, sorry, he's nervous.
All right, so we picked up our little 4th grader.
Yeah.
Buckle up, buddy. Let's go.
Sammy in the car?
Yes, right here.
Alright,
Next up, we're going to Save Mart. So, change of plans. We didn't go to Save Mart. We came to Walmart because all of Save Mart's trees were kind of really sad. And we came to Walmart and it's even more depressing.
It's more sad.
This is the only tree they have. And I think we're going to get it.
Are they really? Or you just so this is it. And
This
they're
is
half
the
off.
yeah, apparently some
Bargain City.
some guy just told us right now. And we were looking at this tree right now and it says return. Somebody returned it. I
They
didn't
exchanged it.
even know you can like do that.
Apparently you can exchange a Christmas tree.
Like literally, I'm gonna look around the whole, like, look how empty it is.
That's what happens when you're
What's
last
today's
minute
date?
shopper.
Today's the December 10th? Yeah, it's December 10th and there's literally like only these 3 trees. And we called like what time? Like at maybe 12 and it's probably already like 3. And they're like, oh yeah, we have 5 trees.
All right, well let's call our handyman to come load it up.
Yeah.
AKA Sam.
So we're gonna try to get this on our
On
in our car. Yeah, we're gonna have them get down. We were telling him, we were like, you should get down so we can all choose one. We don't have a choice. We just told my brother he has to get down because they have to choose a tree with us, but there's no really choice if we're getting that one, so.
The
Oh, well.
winner.
Winner, chicken dinner. So, you'll see us at the house when we take it down, the tree, off the car. Bye.
First clip.
And we're here. Ta-da. Papa Bear, don't. Oh my god.
Hey everyone, so I'll be ending my video here today. We've already decorated. I turned off the camera because there was just a lot going on. So let me show you what we've done already. So we've done the table. There's a lot of stuff on it. We still have to put the stockings up. We're gonna put them over here. We're gonna put 2 wreaths over here that light up, and then we're gonna put like our stockings diagonally. So yeah, we still have to do that, but we're just getting a little tired, so I figured close the video here. So here's the table set out. There's a bunch of stuff going on. We actually just got these 2 this year because we did my sister's photo shoot and that was in it. And then we have our tree. You guys, this tree was only $15. It was on sale at Walmart. It was actually, there was only 3 trees left and this was one of them. It was only $15 because I guess whoever had gotten it previously returned it. I didn't even know you could return a tree, so yeah. Apparently you can return your tree and you can get it for cheaper. So yeah, we bought it for 15 bucks. It's actually a big tree because it can almost touch our roof. I'm gonna turn the light on. Oh, but before I turn the light on, look at our lights that I put up. Well, Amr helped me. But I love our lights. So So yeah, these are our lights. Amber and Sam are playing video games right now. Here's our little, we still have to figure out where we're gonna put that basket at, but for right now we have this super cute tree right here. I don't know what it's called. What is this tree called?
I don't know, it's just this cute skinny tree.
I guess cute skinny tree. And then we have our Santa sack, but it says Happy Holiday. We put these up, and then we have those little 2 trees over there. And then this is my tree over here. Fun fact, this tree we've had since I think I was 6. So this tree has survived many years. I decorate it every year and we put it up. So yeah, and it's a Barbie tree. And I've had it since I was 6. Anyways, so yeah, thank you for watching my video. I know it was a little different from my other videos before. This is like my first time like doing a vlog type of thing. Before I was doing fashion and like makeup, which I'm still gonna continue. I just felt like I should do something different and just mix it up a little bit. So yeah, right now we're gonna have dinner. My mom is finishing up making dinner. So yeah, we're gonna eat and that's it. So thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of video. Give me any comments down below if you know, if you want to see anything else or stuff like that, and give me ideas on what type of videos I can do and what other kind of videos. So yeah, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.